In this video, we are going to do a couple of versions of making a tissue holder, the little mini personal tissue packs. I have taken a flannel shirt and I'm going to cut it down to 7.5 inches and then 6.5 inches. I have cut out a sleeve and I'll measure this, then I will cut the seam. I'm going to open up the sleeve. I just show how to do things using some scraps. If you can use scraps for projects, then you know you're going to be good using new, nice fabric. So here is the small personal tissue holder. It doesn't have Kleenexes in it because I put it in the next one that I'm making with the zipper. But this is what it looks like. The ends have been boxed just like the next one. These two videos are going to be combined. So process right now of quilting the little zipper bag I'm making. Okay, I'll just pause this and I'll do a little more. I just wanted you to see what I was doing, that I'm working on it. Right now I have my crisscross, and then I have to go back. Then I'll come back and show you. Inside, and it's quilted, as you can see. Now this is what we have. What I will do now is I will go to the machine, and I'm going to attach my zipper, which will, the pouch will look something like this when completed, but it will have a zipper in between. No particular reason, I just wanted to try putting the zipper in. And this is how it will look eventually in the finished product, with the ends and everything capped. So what I'll do now is take it to the machine and we'll put the zipper in. Okay, what I've done here is I've come over to the machine and I have attached the zipper to the right side of the material, and this will fold back. So right now this is what we have. Now we do have to attach the other side, and then once we get that, we'll be able to put our little bag together. I will top stitch this to hold this down. Now you're not really seeing this border because it's attached to, the lining is attached to the zipper as well. So we're going to place this down. And I'm going to make a top stitch right down where I've already stitched. You want to make sure, do not run your machine, if it's a metal zipper, over the teeth of your sewing machine. back and do a double stitch if you want it to lay more flat close to the outer edge. I think it would look nicer, so that's exactly what I'll do. So I'll do that and come back. Now at this point, this is what we have. At this time, we have the zipper in, we have it folded, and we have stitched the outer stitch crossing the zipper. Our zipper is open. We are going to box a couple of corners here, which means dog ear. Stitch it down, that way it turns out to be a box. And we will do that right now. Change this. We won't put a large corner on it. Better turn it right. You have to open it. Now that we have boxed the corners, I'll show you how that looks. Of course, they have to be punched out. You never want to use anything sharp. Also have a tab on there. But this is how it's going to look when it's finished. Get the threads. Don't want to catch the threads. So I really have to turn it back the wrong way. And this is what you're going to have when the other end is finished. And you can see the little corners being boxed. So we will finish this out and we will come back and show you after it's completed. Here is our finished little Kleenex pouch. I stuck the package inside. I'm going to pull this tab off. And by rights, I was going to do this. I wouldn't even put the plastic in so it doesn't get hung up on the zipper. I would open them up. Now, probably, if you're putting a zipper in one of these, you probably have too much time on your hands. But I have not seen anyone do it, and I wanted to try it, of course. So, although I've seen dozens of these made, I have not seen a zipper. The other good side is if you did not want to put your Kleenexes in this pouch, you could put something else. You know, if you had like a little package of headache medicine or something like that, or your lipsticks, you could put anything in here. And with that, the reason I went ahead and made this is because I had made this a few days ago, this little pouch here for a makeup case. And so it turned out pretty nice. Again, I like playing with zippers. I'm going to make one more piece to go with this, and then I'll come back and show you. This last piece, I won't bore you with this because you've seen me make these before. This will be a plush eyeglass case for the inside of the glasses. I'm just going to turn this. I will press it on the back side. You can see all the fuzz coming off of it here. But what I will do, I'm going to do something different with the closure on this one. So I'm going to press this. It will be like this. and I will stitch on the outside. I just did this one different just to allow just a touch of fur-like lining to show. And then I'm going to put a snap on this one. And when I get to that point, I'll come back. But this will be an eyeglass case. This completes this little set, unless I figure something else to do with that one last piece of this material. This piece here for the glasses are now, it's plush inside, so it's not going to scratch anything. And that pretty well completes this little project. So I hope it helped someone if you're thinking about making anything with the zippers in it. It's really not hard. You just have to think of your orientation and make sure you do not sew your zipper opening or your hook on the inside. Sew it the wrong way. Okay, this was just a small set that I've made for my sister. So it's a zip makeup bag. Here is the Kleenex holder. My little tag with the hearts on it for Sisters Forever, for her sunglasses, and just a little snap bag